I think a lot of us are thinking to ourselves when we're wanting to title a podcast. Some of us are like, I don't want to be pigeonholed to a certain like title or subject. And so like, maybe I'll just call it my name. And on the flip side, there's a lot of people that say, don't call it your name because you're not going to get the listeners unless you're already super famous. You're not going to get the listeners or the downloads that you're looking for. And I really want to find out, are you glad you titled it that? Or do you think if you did it over, would you do something else? Just kind of give us your experience of the title of your podcast and YouTube channel.
Excellent question. I am both ways about it. There's sometimes I love my title because my title is my name, Oliver Perry, stands out. It just does. The catch is it doesn't stand out if you look at SEO and the SEO this aspect of it. And when I say SEO, for those listening, I mean search engine optimization. And basically what that is what controls what you see when you Google things, or if you look on YouTube being the second biggest search engine in the world, of course, after Google. So I know that if I typed in Oliver, the real estate show with the Oliver Perry, you'll see more. You see me more. Absolutely. I am again still torn, and this is something I continue to wrestle with, is that I understand that having the real estate or the topic in the title is good. I absolutely agree with you, Adam. The whole pigeonhole, I've heard that discussion several times, and the pigeonhole thing it's a real thing. I didn't want to pigeonhole myself, but at the time I was just like, all right, I got to come up with a title. I want to do this and do this now. I have this go and smack into a brick wall. So I just went and I said, hey, I'm gonna just call it the Oliver Perry Show. We'll figure out the title later and we just run with it. Since that time, the Oliver Perry Show has just kind of stuck. And even now, the podcast may at some point change the title, but I've decided, okay, if I'm going to keep it as the Oliver Perry Show, if I'm paying attention to the statistics and the data, then I need to work on that optimization. Because regardless of whether it's called the Oliver Perry Show or if it's called Real Estate with the Oliver Perry, if people don't enjoy the content, if they don't like what they're learning, if they're not getting something from it, if they're not providing a value in the end of the day, it doesn't make a difference. Because I call it the Oliver Perry Real Estate Show or Real Estate Show with Oliver Perry all I want. But if that content doesn't hit, if it doesn't connect with the viewer, if it doesn't provide them a value or teach them something they didn't know before, then it's useless. So with that in mind, I decided, okay, I'm going to focus on the video and optimizations for each video and how I do the videocast and how I talk to the audience. And then I'll worry about the title later.